Um, so you want to make hot dogs in an air fryer? Trust me, it's a game changer. Traditional boiling can leave them soggy, and grilling sometimes dries them out. But air frying gives you the best of both worlds: crisp outside, juicy inside. Um, Start by preheating your air fryer to 390 degrees. Preheating is crucial because jumping into a cold fryer can lead to uneven cooking. Um, while it heats, take a moment to prepare your hot dogs or sausages if you're feeling fancy. Next up, make small slits in each hot dog. Space them about an inch apart. These slits will help the hot dogs cook evenly and prevent them from bursting in the air fryer. It's like giving them breathing room. Now arrange your hot dogs in the air fryer basket. Don't overcrowd them. Lay them in a single layer with space in between. This setup ensures consistent hot airflow, um, which is key for achieving that delicious snap in every bite. Cook them for about 5 to 6 minutes, which might surprise you with the speed. It's incredibly fast compared to other cooking methods. Check the internal temperature. You're aiming for 165 degrees for hot dogs, just to be safe. Want that extra oomph? Add a quick spray of oil before cooking. It'll make the casing even crispier. But if you're like me, always watching that waistline, feel free to skip this step. Your call, folks. While they cook, get your buns ready. You can toast them for a bit of warmth and crunch. Throw them in for the last minute or so of the hot dog cooking time if you've got space. The best hot dogs deserve the best buns. If you're a toppings lover, consider your options. Classic mustard, ketchup, or relish are a given. But think outside the bun. Onions, jalapeños, or sauerkraut can elevate your air-fried creation to another level and make it your signature style. Once done, carefully remove them from the air fryer. They'll be hot, hot, hot. So don't just grab them with your fingers. Tony Stark. Use tongs and maybe even a little dance to celebrate your soon-to-be feast. There's pro tip: if you're cooking for a crowd, you can keep batches warm in the oven at 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Although with how fast these cook, you'll probably be ready to eat by the time the first batch gets their buns. Timing is golden. And if you're in Portland, like me, pair your hot dog with a local brew. The balance between the juicy meat and a hoppy IPA just screams I'm from the Pacific Northwest and I know my eats. Pure culinary bliss. Lastly, think about your cleanup game. The beauty of the air fryer is minimal mess. A quick wipe or toss in the dishwasher for the basket, and you're set. No more pots with burnt on residue to scrub for hours. Score.